Hi, this is Dr. Vimibindra. I am a gynecologist and a laparoscopic surgeon at Apollo Health City, Hyderabad. Pregnant women have some common complaints in early pregnancy, such as nausea and vomiting, mild lower abdominal cramps, and a very important complaint is frequency of urination. They pass urine a lot. They have to go to pee very frequently. And this happens in the first trimester, and first trimester lasts till 12 weeks of pregnancy. In second trimester, what happens is the uterus outgrows the pelvis, it grows up and it relieves the pressure on the bladder. So this symptom disappears in the second trimester. In first trimester, the bladder bag is in front and the pregnancy is putting pressure on the bladder bag. That is the reason you feel the need to pass urine again and again. The same thing repeats in the third trimester. What happens is in third trimester, the baby head tries to come down a little bit and again it builds up a pressure on the bladder bag. This gives rise to the same symptom again as in the first trimester. You need to pee a lot in first and third trimester. Now, actually we cannot avoid it because it is physiological, but there are certain things which you can follow so that it does not trouble you so much. When you are passing the urine, you can bend a little forward so that your bladder is completely empty and you need not go again and again just for the residual volume. The second thing what you can do is just before going to the sleep, do not drink too much water. But in a day, at least 3 liter water you should be taking to prevent dehydration and other problems associated with less water intake. Also, what you can do is bending forward helps, and not drinking too much water just before going to the sleep helps. If you are having the urge to pass urine, do not hold it for a long time because then it leads to the problems of urinary infection. Now, there are two conditions which can also cause increased urinary frequency. One is urinary tract infection and the other is gestational diabetes mellitus. So these things should be ruled out if there is a excessive urination or there is a excessive urge to pass urine very frequently. If these two things are ruled out, the urinary infection and diabetes, this is absolutely physiological, and do not hold urine for a long time. Thank you.